So today we are gonna show you a trick on sharing internet or a VPN internet connection with two or more devices. So a VPN can secure your connection, can help you to add an extra layer of security. That's why if you have a VPN installed on one of your device and the other device has no VPN installed in, it is crucial to share the internet from the other device which has a secure connection with a VPN connected in the other device. So to share this secure connection with the other device, in order for both phones to achieve a super fast and a secure connection from a connected VPN app, you are gonna follow the guide as follows. And let's dive in. Let me take this chance to welcome all of you on this channel, that you are highly welcomed. On this channel we share apps that can secure your connection and ways on how you can secure your connection. So let's begin the tutorial. Get any VPN app, or you can use any of the app you have, VPN apps you have. So for today's guide, let me show you with this app as a demonstration. You can install it. This app is Eternal VPN. It will help you to secure your connection at the extra layer of security when you are online. And let me use it as a demonstration on how you can share a VPN connection with another device. So this trick, it will work with all apps or all VPN apps. It may not be this app, but it may be any other VPN app. You can try it, it will work for you. So after you opening the app, so you turn on, first of all, after you installing a VPN app in your one device, so let's call them device 1 and the other device will be device 2. And first of all, you must turn on mobile data. And after turning on the mobile data, the other setting you have to do in this phone 1 is to turn on hotspot. In case you don't know the hotspot, you can scroll up and then you can scroll down, then you see this icon or anything related to this. Then after turning on the hotspot, you go in settings. So you open your settings app. In settings, you can look for hotspot and connections, and from here you click on personal hotspot. Then from here you can look for hotspot settings or password. So in the password field, you can delete what is there. It may be very hard for you, so you put there a password which is more simpler to you. Just like that, you can put any password you prefer. You can use your name, you can use your father's name or your birth date or anything you can use. You can use a simple password just like that. And after, make sure to remember this password, or you can write it somewhere because you are gonna need it in the next steps. This video is just for demonstration purposes, so make sure to follow it along. And you go back after you updating the hotspot password. You go back on the home screen. You open this app or any VPN app you have or you want to share the internet with. So you tap on the 4 buttons. Sometimes they are right here, sometimes down below, sometimes it is right here. So you tap on it. So in case you see this option of tethering, it means that that VPN app supports to share its internet. So the first thing you must do is to set up the VPN, and after setting up the VPN, you tap on the start, and in case it starts, that is the first step. It must be connected before you proceed further. So after you noticing that it has connected, you must prove whether it is working or it is not working, because it may connect and it fails to work. So this means that in case we share its internet, and when it is not working, it will definitely not work in the other device. So it is working fine. We have proven it is working. So you return to the app, and as we go, please like this video, subscribe on this channel, comment in the comment section where you need help. So the other setting is, after proving the app is working, tap on the 4 dots. No matter where they are located, you tap on them, or the menu button, then you tap on tethering. So as I told you, this video is just for education. It's just an example. You can do these steps using any other VPN app. So when you reach here, you click on turn on. So you turn on. After turning on the Wi-Fi tethering, it will say that it is running. You can see right there, and right here it will say that it is sharing the internet. And after turning on just like that, let's bring in the other device. Make sure the hotspot is on this device. It is right here. Make sure it is on just like that, and let's bring in device 2. So on the other device. So this is device 2. So from device 2, I say that this is the phone where there is no VPN installed. So but you want to share the internet to the phone. So you, on device 2, you scroll, and then you turn off the mobile data. Make sure the mobile data is off, and you just turn on this Wi-Fi settings. You turn on the Wi-Fi settings, and then you go in the settings, deep in the settings. You can wrong press on Wi-Fi, and then it will take you deep. And if the setup is well arranged, you will see that the Wi-Fi will scan the nearby hotspot turned on. And as you can see, the Wi-Fi is scanning, and it is saying this Technospark 40 as the Wi-Fi. So this is the setup. So you tap on this Wi-Fi once. You tap on it once, and it will ask you for the password. So for the password, you remember the password we used. It was, and if you don't remember it, return to device 1. Return to device 1, which has the VPN, and go deep in hotspot settings, and you locate the password. It will be right here. So that is the password we need, and you put it correctly right here, just like that. This is the password, and as you can see, I've just put it the way it is. So you can change, you can use any random password in case you have set it up. So after that, go back on this phone 1. After entering the password, you go back on phone 1, then you click here, as you can see on your screen, where they say that set manual proxy, just like that. And when you click there, they will display proxy hostname, and then the proxy like the port. Then what you are required right now, after phone 1 displaying those settings, go back to phone 2, and then you click on advanced options. When you click on advanced options, you click on proxy. It will display none, so you tap here, and then it will display many options. So you click on manual, and from here you enter the proxy. The proxy is right here on phone 1. It is right here. This is the proxy we need to enter, this one and the port. So you head back to phone 2. you add back to phone 2 just like that, and where you see proxy host name you can see it, then you put it right there. Make sure you are accurate. In case you don't be accurate, it will not work. So you tap here, right here, and then you enter as it appears on phone 1 or the phone with the VPN installed in it. So you do as I'm doing, then you enter also the port. It is right there, it is 80. Then after that you can click on connect, and if everything is fine, you can this device will say that connected. If everything is set accurate, it will say that connected, and after it says connected, you can check whether it is working or it is not. So let me take you a quick recap. On device 2, make sure that the data connection is turned off, and on device 1, make sure that the mobile data is turned on and the hotspot is turned on. In that way the setup will be accurate. So after that you can check your internet if it is running on both devices. So this is phone 1 and it is working as you can see, and this is phone 2, the internet is running. So that's how we share internet on both devices using one VPN installed in the other VPN, or like in the other device. That's how we share a VPN connection on both, on 2 phones or more. In case you have more devices, you can repeat the process and you can connect up to a limit of your device. Sometimes the other devices give 10 devices, and that's how we do that. Please like this video, share this video to your friend, subscribe on this channel for more useful content, and let's meet in the next video.